Well, hello there, YouTube. I thought I'd go for a ride today. It's warmed up to 64. Sun's out. We had a lot of rain yesterday, which is good. The grass is really turning green. Trees are starting to turn green. It is March. I can't see it. 8th? March 8th. So I thought I'd go for a spin. I'll turn it back on a little bit. Bye. Well, hello there again. Hey, the weather it's a little cool out. You can tell. I mean, the sun makes it warm, but it's a little cool moving. It says 70, but it's not. It's like 64. I remember yesterday was Saturday. I got up I was out in the shop about 7:30 and I walked down. It was 71 degrees outside. Then the storm came through and all the rain came through, and I went in the house and thinking, man, I had shorts on and a t-shirt when I went out, and then I come out of the shop and it's 48 degrees, so it dropped, oh my gosh, 20 degrees or so just from the storm. It's nice today though. The sun came back out. The rain stopped. I mean, we needed the rain. I got my backyard's by the creek, and it didn't even flood. I mean, usually when I get a lot of rain, my backyard's flooded, but it's not. It's wet, but everything's wet, even the front yard. The front yard's still draining out across the driveway and into the street because we got so much water. So I can't mow. I really need to mow the back. It got high, but I can't get back there. It's too wet. And I just gotta, hopefully it'll dry out for a couple days, which we're supposed to get some more rain. But it's a nice day. Good day for a ride. I haven't used it. I've ridden before, and I just didn't grab the camera. I just ride without grabbing the camera, so thought I'd grab it today because I haven't done a video in a long time. As you can tell, I'm on the Spyder. Spyder changing the front tires on this thing made a huge difference. Those old Kenda tires, I mean, I was shooting all over the road just from the cupped roads. Doesn't do it anymore with these new tires. I got car tires on the front, car tires on the back, and this thing handles the best it ever has. And I didn't need a sway bar. So it works out. All the Spyder needs is new front tires, and it handles perfect. Bah. There we go. I'm in Rockwall right now. I came the back way through downtown, but I turned on the GoPro because you can see the trees starting to turn green. Well, the grass is always green right now. It came out of its dormant stage. Mine did anyway, because I have that Palisades zoysia. Yeah, now I don't see the trees coming out. There we go. Got some trees turning green right there. Well, not so much. Yeah, some of them are. We'll see them in a little bit. I saw them coming out. There's some bushes coming out. lot of building around here. Oh, a little airport. See some green, certain amounts of trees. There's some up here that are turning green. It's a different. I got a tree in my backyard that turned green, but not all of them. They will pretty soon. There you go. See that one starting to turn green, blooming. It's springtime. I love springtime. I love fall as well because it cools off, but I really love springtime. Now here we go. Here's some trees turning green. The live oaks will lose their leaves. That one's turning green. I had nothing but live oaks in Leander, and they'd lose their leaves in the spring, and then they'd make this pollen, and that was horrible. I had a pool, and my pool was just covered with these live oaks, and the pool would fill full of leaves, and then it would fill full of pollen, and thinking, oh my God, this is terrible. I swore when I moved up here I'd never build another pool just because of the mess that made, but I don't have live oak trees up here. So I told my oldest son I'd never build another pool. And he goes, well, what about your grandkids? So I built another pool, and I'm glad I did because my grandkids that live up here are like 3.5, and they love to swim. Everybody gets out, and my Carson's still in there. I says, Carson, it's time to get out. And he goes, no, I'm swimming. He wouldn't get out. He can swim all day long. So we got a pool, but it's this pool. My pool in Leander was all manual. You had to turn a valve, turn 2 valves to turn the hot tub on, then turn them back to go to the pool. The new pool I got now, you operate everything from the phone, including the heater, everything from the phone. It is awesome. So and I get the neighbors' leaves in it. I don't have these great big oak trees that have these big leaves, but the neighbors do. And they put it all out into the street, and then it blows into my yard along the landscaping. So I gotta rake them all out, and then I mulch them with my mower. But I don't even have those kind of trees. They just blow over from the neighbors. And I dig them out of my pool all the time too, in the skimmers. But this pool is much nicer up here. Everything, it really doesn't get no pollen. There's no pollen there. But when it rains, I have to get the brush out and brush the dirt off everything because the rain's got dirt in it. Bah. Oh, it worked before. Oh, there we go. No, not working.